guys, Cars Across Texas here today, and today you join me for another dealership vlog. Today, we're starting at another new dealership. Yes, I know, I've been a little dealership slut lately, but I'm just looking for my home. I want somewhere where I can stick around long term, move my way into finance, and keep on going up the ladder and making all the money. So, the more money I make, project cars come quicker in the future, so on and so forth. So hopefully we can get into that finance position here at some point, or at least just sell a shitload of cars. That'd be cool as well. But the dealership I'm starting at is Parkway Chevrolet. We're way out here in the employee parking behind where they're going to be building the fleet building for the future here. The Parkway is actually the second or third largest fleet dealer in the country, but I'll be regular sales, and we'll get around checking out the dealership here in a second. We'll check out some inventory they got and kind of just, you know, go over the lay of the land with you guys. But if you're looking for a Chevy, I'm your guy. Come get your Mama Lonas from me. And Corvette C8s, you can do that. We've got a couple Stingrays on the lot right now, and obviously we can order some Z06s for you boys if you want one. But let's get on in. I got to do some an onboarding thing with HR, I believe. I don't think I'm really even gonna officially start today. I think they said just come in today for HR onboarding or whatever, and they've come back Tuesday, and that's when I actually start. But let's get on with it. As you can see, boys, quite a few C8s here. We got two out here. I think we got two on the showroom floor. Let's check them out real quick. Yep, there we go. Three on the showroom floor. Rapid blue, my favorite. All right, boys, we are set up with HR now. Let's take a look around the dealership at some things. First and foremost, we got some C8s, a Stingray R, a couple C8s over here, and the American array over here with the red, white, and blue. My personal favorite being the rapid blue over here. This thing is sick. This color is perfect. I love it. But the real question lies in, who's gonna be my first C8 customer? I'd love to get you guys one. Red Mist is definitely a close second for me, right behind Rapid Blue. This color is also super nice, super deep. I haven't really seen the new Traverses yet around. This is a Z71 all-wheel drive Traverse. You got some kind of all-terrain tires on there. These things are actually really nice. Oh my goodness. Look at this done-up interior. Big old digital screens, wireless charging pads. Ooh. That's kind of nice. Red, it looks like red carbon. It's not, but it's like a textured thing, but it's cool. It's a cool little touch. It's a good looking little SUV, three-row SUV for the whole fam. Another really solid option for y'all, maybe first-time buyers, maybe looking for something reliable with a low payment. There's plenty of Blazers I've been seeing out and about on the websites and everything that are under $30,000. So the perfect price range for somebody just looking to buy their first car. And personally, I think it's a sharp looking little vehicle. And of course, trucks on trucks for days. Looks like this one's upfitted with some wheels and stuff on it, looking quite good, all blacked out, all murdered out. And we got the ZR2 Silverado here, and this thing also looks super good. I like the little incorporation of the flow tie here. Of course, aerodynamics right there for the Chevy bow tie. I think they first implemented that on the 6th Gen ZL1s, and now they're doing it a little bit more stuff. Helps with fuel economy. I think it actually, like, provably is a pretty big difference. Just that difference in aerodynamics right there from the badge not covering it up. But trucks on trucks. Some cool colors like the brown. Personally, I think Chevy trucks rock the red the best out of any red pickup trucks. Another ZR2 here looking sharp. All sorts of other good stuff over here. We got a couple heavy duties on the lot. Got the 2500 here looking sharp as well. More trucks, as you can see, for days. We got a Dirty Max ZR2 over here now too. Here we go. Let's check out this interior. Let's see if it's unlocked. It's probably not. Yeah, it is. Look at this interior. New screens. These seats are neat. Look at that. It smells like a, of course it smells new, because it is new, but it smells delicious in here. Brand new truck. Got a couple brand new Malibus on the lot as well, another car that's low MSRP, so anybody, first time buyers, maybe even some challenge credit can get done in it. And of course you got the Colorado, which personally I think the new body style on these looks really solid. Much better looking truck than the Ranger at Ford, which I never saw those Rangers sell at Ford. It was crazy. The only one that I saw get sold got 150 miles put on it and then immediately traded in. But not too bad on the interior. Nice little screen there with, sure, CarPlay and all that stuff. there we go. And then another step up at a Chevy dealer over Ford is just having Tahoes and Suburbans over Expeditions and Expedition Maxes. Just everything about the Tahoes and Suburbans is better than the Expeditions. There we go. Continuation on the Blazers here. I mean, look at that. They're really sharp looking little cars and they're not too expensive. So something that you can get in for a good payment, a low payment, and great first time buyer cars that look good, have space, and you know, you're gonna have a warranty. It's brand new. Yes, I have been a little dealership slut lately, but I'm just looking for a home. I'm looking for something long-term. I wanna grow with you boys. I wanna, you know, make some money, really. That's what it comes down to. And you can't make money if you don't have customers. Which, dog, it was nearly nothing from the dealership side of things. Everything I sold, 90% of my deals at Doggett were either referrals or people that directly follow me. And if you're one of my followers, I'm gonna take care of you. I'm not gonna, you know, I'm gonna get you a deal. And when I get you a deal, I don't make that much money on it. So I can't survive on that. I need some sustenance from the regular dealership stuff. But as you can see, we got lots of trucks here, which is nice to see. A little bit lower days of supply than Ford and Dodge. So there is that. But good stuff nonetheless. Let's go take a look at some of the used cars real quick. This 2500 ZR2 is a bad mamma jamma. We got the Duramax, Allison transmission. This color's real nice. Is it unlocked? It's not unlocked. You can probably see in there a little bit. Nice. As we are a Chevy dealership, I'm sure you realize lots of our used vehicles will be Chevys. I got a couple Camaros here. We got a V6 in torch red, and we got the crystal red type color. I'm already blinking on the color name again. Drop top SS, there we go. Little V8 Camaro action for the boys. Then a ton of other, you know, economy sedans. I have my new Accord. I love the new Accord, so hit me up if you want this one. BMWs, trucks on trucks on trucks. A Wrangler, more trucks, more trucks, more trucks, more trucks, trucks for as far as the eye can see. If y'all want a Bolt EV, I got two pre-owned ones here. Kia Souls, if you want to rep the hamster car, here you go. Even a GT line Kia Soul. If you're looking for a little bit more luxury. And you just keep on going down the line. Look at all these pre-owned Silverados. I got this one. These wheels are kind of neat. Let's take a look real quick. All blacked out, all murdered out. Look like it's got a little bit of a drop on it. Those wheels are also like bigger than factory. Look like maybe 22s. More Chevys over here. Lots of good affordable options for people just looking for a good payment and a reliable vehicle. High Country Silverado, nice. Keep on going down the line. I think I've gotten past all of it, like the cool stuff. But you know, I see a Bronco down here. So I got anything for you. If you're looking for it, I can find it for you. I think I also can probably get some used vehicles from my other dealerships that we have in the Parkway chain. I will have to check on that though. So let's keep on looking. We got a Rogue Platinum and a Bronco. I actually didn't even sell a full-size Bronco at Ford. I'm kind of embarrassed about that. For some reason, I just never could find a customer for them. Well, would you look what we just loaded up on the showroom floor. We got the Carbon Flash C8 Z06 with the red interior and a super high ticket on it. 152 MSRP. Pretty damn loaded up. Z06 Ultimate Package, the whole 9 yards. You got the big old carbon fiber aero kit back here with the wing. Of course, the center exit exhausts. And that glorious flat plane crank 5.5 liter V8. It sounds like a supercar. Looks like a supercar, drives like a supercar. At this point, it's a supercar. Hit me up, boys. Let's get you rolling. All right, guys, as you can tell, it is a new day. It's a little darker outside. I want a different shirt, no tie today, but it's not a million degrees, so that's why we're recording the video. But as you can see, I have started here at Parkway. Got a nice little tracks behind us. It's a great little car for a first-time buyer, or maybe somebody who has some challenge credit. They're really solid, though. I mean, $24,000 starting price. Getting a lot of nice new tech in them, and I quite like the little things. But we've got a lot of trucks out here. I'm your car guy, so let me know how I can help you get a new ride, and I'm gonna do everything I can to make it happen. Got some Colorados out here behind me, some little mini or medium-sized trucks like that that'll, you know, do the job for you. The new Tahoe Z71 over here, looking quite sharp with the tow hooks and everything. But yeah, just let me know how it can help you get your new ride. So the Blazers, like we have here, are the slightly bigger version. They look really sharp and are still a very reasonably priced vehicle, albeit a little bit more expensive than the Trailblazer, but you do get a bigger vehicle with some nice features inside. This one in RS, get the leather seats, the red trim, all that good stuff under there as well. But then over here, this one's a Trailblazer here. I personally like this color quite a bit. You can see it's a little bit smaller. See the Blazer here has this sort of back window here and a little bit more trunk space. This one does not, but this one also starts. It's a $29,000 car right here, boys. Perfect for a first-time buyer. Perfect for, you know, kiddo's first car. Send him off to college with a warranty. It's a solid little car right here. And the Trailblazer still looks really sharp in my opinion. There is no reason to be getting trucks from any other Chevy dealership in Houston aside from right here with your boy at Parkway. I got everything you might need here. Z71s, ZR2s. I just heard one of these start up, so maybe a different day we grab the keys to one of these and turn it on, because these sound bone stock insane. They're like super loud, and this is Chevy's, I guess, most direct competitor to things like the Raptor and the TRX, which obviously not as crazy as those, but the price tag also reflects not being as crazy as those. This is not a $90,000 truck like a Raptor or a $100,000 truck like a TRX, and like I showed you the other day, still got the flow tie, which is pretty neat. But I know, boys, I have been, like I said in the intro, a little bit of a dealership slut. I get it. But I'm just trying to find my home. I don't want to overstay my welcome on some place where I don't feel like I'm setting myself up for success. Here, hopefully, the case is I start making all the sales, can move into finance pretty quickly. That would be really, really cool. Especially because, I mean, this is kind of in the area, that I'd want to get my house in. So I think that'd be nice to work closer to home and make that check. As you can see, also lots of Tahoes behind me. Let's take a look at those real quick. Got this real nice black on black one here, but personally, the most baller one in my opinion is here, the High Country. The wheels look nice, interior is obviously super nice, and you got a couple more LTs and LSs over here. This one looks like a Premier Suburban, I think these wheels mean it's a Premier. Let's check around the back. Look at this color on the ZR2. This looks real nice. But is it a Premier Suburban? It's an RST Suburban. I got it, yeah. No guys, those wheels are the RST wheels. Sharp looking vehicle, lots of space for the fam. Third row back here with plenty of space behind still. Look at that, best in class. I mean, you get one of these, you don't have to deal with EcoBoost turbos, and you don't have to deal with a Jeep. If I could go back, I would not have my Grand Cherokee. I would have gotten Allie one of these right here. Maybe not a Suburban, probably like a Tahoe. I think these look better. Pushrod V8, 5.3, so much easier to maintain, and you don't have the quality control issues that Jeep has. Dude, 30,000 miles and the leather was starting to come off the steering wheel. It's insane. The visors start coming out of sockets on the Jeep. I don't know. It's been a great car, but there's just weird little quality control issues that I have not seen on Chevys, especially the ones that are taken on trade. Trust me, I've seen a lot of my Chevys in my time. But man, these ZR2s just look so sick, dude. I can't get over them. Look at this. Would you take the white or the black? Leave me a comment down below, boys. But I think we're gonna end off the video on that one. Remember, I sell cars here at Parkway Chevrolet now, so hit me up if you're in the market. I promise you, I will take care of you. I'll take care of every referral that I get from you, my bad. But I'm gonna go in and try to get me a customer before the night is over. Hopefully you boys enjoyed. Let me know how I can help, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.